Good morning, guys. I have a busy day. I've got to pack. Look at this hair. It's so damaged. I've got to pack. Let me get myself together and I'll talk about it. Alright, sorry for the horrible angle. My hair is staticky today. I am going to see my daughter in college town, so for her birthday. And even though we saw each other a couple days ago, but it's her birthday, so I don't want, I don't want there to ever be a birthday where I don't see her. So I've got stuff to do today. I leave tomorrow morning early. I was actually supposed to leave today, but I'm still wondering if I should go today. Anyway, I have stuff to do. I gotta make sure that I get her last present wrapped, and everything else is in like gift bags with tissue, and I'll show you guys all of that stuff. So I gotta take that out of the closet. So I have to get all of that, together, and oh my gosh, I have so much to do. This is why I do stuff weeks in advance, because I do not like waiting until the last minute. It just does not vibe and gel with my personality at all, because then I get overwhelmed. But yeah, I should be getting an oil change, and I'm not. Hopefully I will be. I'm gonna stop talking. I got stuff to do, so let's do it. If I touch my hair, it's gonna get oily. Alright, so here are her pile of gifts. It's looking a little rough this morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab them and set them out so that when I'm packing up the car tonight, I won't forget these. So we're just gonna set these out on the dining room table, even though there's not that much room. I'm not sure if I showed you guys. I think I did. I think it was in a video, but in case you missed it, this is the wrapping style that I picked out this year. Every year I put a lot of thought into it, and this would not be a lot of thought because I just could not decide what colors I wanted her wrapping to be. For some reason, purple was in my head like hardcore, and I'm not really a purple person. And I was just thinking lavender a lot, and I just ended up passing up on it and going this style, and I just found it all at Target, yeah, so there's there's pastels of pink, and then the gray with pops of gold, and then there's also the brown paper bag look with that gold too, and then these look like stars, so it works out. Here is Loxy. I meant to film all of my videos all in the same day. The day I was wearing my hats, and then it just did not work out. I was tired. Look at this piece of hair. Like I don't even know what to do with it, honestly. It's not a baby hair, it's just damaged hair, probably from wearing all of my hats. Oh, I'm looking, God, please make it stop. Be thankful if you are able to wear your hair without shampoo for days on end, because there are people like me who, no matter what you do, I've tried the dry shampoo, I've tried it all, it doesn't matter. My hair gets oily as F. my oil change place, the people that do the oil changes. How do you put up with me? I don't even know, but thank you. Okay, so I am just trying to get ready, you know, before leaving tomorrow, and my car needs an oil change, and I'd like to get it washed and all that stuff. So I get a free wash with an oil change, and I thought, perfect. And yeah, so I'm doing that. And then I wanted to pop into TJ Maxx and try to find some more cute clothes for my niece. Of course, I walked out with a lot of stuff that wasn't that. But I did find one thing that I really liked. Everything else I just didn't like for her. And let me know cute places to shop at. I went to Baby Gap in the mall and I didn't like it. I didn't like the options, I guess. And I don't know, let me know where there are some good places. But anyway, I did that. I also popped into Ross just to kind of see. I think I'm gonna film a haul, an impromptu haul tonight for that, and then put it up for Thursday or Friday's video. But that's what I'm doing. I'm just getting the oil change, and as you can see, I threw my hair back in a hat. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. I think I said that right. Good job, me. But and then I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna pack and do all the things, you know, that I need to do because I'm leaving early in the morning, which is making me scared, but let's go. I'm back home and I've got my to-do list, so I'm jam packing a lot of stuff today, but I actually want to make a smoothie. I bought a blender. Who remembers when I bought that Ninja, I think, from Amazon? And I ordered groceries yesterday and picked them up, and I want to make a smoothie. I was watching YouTube videos. I love watching food videos, like the channel called Tasty. I'm just eyeballing this. I have no idea. So I'm just, I don't know, I'm gonna eyeball it. Drink straight from here. It's a little thick, but I think that's because I have to get used to making these smoothies and figuring out the ratio of, you know, the fruit and the milk and the yogurt and then whatever sweetener. I added a little bit of sugar, but I think I've seen people use honey too as a healthier option. Overall, I have to say it's like pretty good. It's good enough that I think I will finish it. So
Things were in that bag. Well, don't worry. I bet you see us making arrangements for your bag as we speak. Given to me by my knitting society. Each one took almost a month. Really long sleeves. But none of that matters. I am positive that your bag is. It hasn't been turned in yet. Are you totally quiet and everything? You're mad at me?
I vacuumed, I blew out Loxie's hair just so that when the sitter comes, there's not hair everywhere, because that just happens. It's just a nightmare coming home to all that hair, so I'm just trying to manage it as best as I can. And she's doing good. She loved it. I vacuumed this area, the living room, and then later I'll do my office. I'll do this room, and I will do my bedroom. And that's pretty much it. Next, I have to pack. This is a haul. I wanted to do this haul for like Thursday or Friday's video, but I'm not sure that, I think I might hold on to it. I don't know what I'm doing with it, but I'm not gonna film like I thought. I've got my luggage out, and then I will pack later on tonight, but now I just kind of have to figure out what else needs to be done off of my checklist and just keep trucking down the to-do list.